Hello everyone, this is Gurumurthy M, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from Jyoti Institute of Technology. In the previous session, we discussed about classification of cams, that is based on follower motion and based on shape of cams and based on constraints to the follower. Today in this session, we will discuss about the nomenclature of the cam. This drawing represents a nomenclature of a cam. It is very simple. The center portion of the drawing will represent a shaft. So it is like this. It's a shaft, and upon the shaft you are having a disc. See here in this case the disc is in the form of droplet. Likewise here it may be in the form of oval. Okay, oval shape, right? By considering the minimum radius to this disc, okay, minimum radius to this disc, if you draw a circle, then it is called as base circle. It is called as base circle. If we consider the outer surface of this disc, outer surface of this disc means this dark line indicates the outer surface of the disc, that is called as cam profile. Fine. So similarly, the next one is trace point. Okay, it is a point on the follower. This is called as follower. It is a point on the follower, and its motion, the motion of the point on the follower describes the movement of follower. Okay, that is called as trace point. So in this case, this is called as roller follower. The connecting point to the follower and this roller is called as trace point. Means this point is on this follower, okay, and the motion of this point will describes the movement of this follower. It may be reciprocating or it may be oscillating type. Okay. In case of knife edge, if you consider knife edge, this one is a knife edge. The free end of this follower, which is touching the outer surface of the cam profile, becomes the tracing point. Okay, here the connecting point between follower and the roller become tracing point. Okay, these are the different tracing points at different instant of time. Fine. Next one is pitch curve. Okay, a curve which is passing through the all trace points is called as pitch curve. Okay, so if you connect all the pitch points, then it will form a pitch curve. Okay, next, by considering the minimum radius to the pitch curve, so here this is the pitch curve. Okay, right, the curve which is passing through the trace point is called as pitch curve. If we considering the minimum radius to the pitch curve from the center of the shaft, if you draw a circle, then the circle becomes prime circle. Okay, in case of roller follower, you will get prime circle as well as base circle, but in case of knife edge follower, you don't have this distance, that is radius of the roller, or directly it is in contact with the cam profile. That's why you won't get any prime circle. Okay, base circle itself is a prime circle, and also this pitch curve itself is a cam profile in case of roller knife edge follower. But in case of roller follower, you are having a separate cam profile and separate pitch curve, as well as separate base circle and as well as prime circle, right? So but in case of knife edge follower, prime circle is same as that of base circle and pitch curve is same as that of cam profile. Please remember this. Okay, next, pressure angle. Pressure angle, the angle between the direction of the follower movement and the normal to the pitch curve. See, for example, here this is the direction of the follower motion. Okay, here it is shown for this, and if you draw a perpendicular to the pitch curve, this is the pitch curve. For this pitch curve, at this point we drawn a perpendicular. This is the perpendicular line. If you measure the angle between this perpendicular line to the pitch curve as well as the direction of the follower movement, you will get pressure angle. So that is phi. If the pressure angle is more anywhere on this cam profile, that point is called as pitch point. Wherever the pressure angle is more on the cam profile, that point is called as pitch point. If the circle passing through the pitch point is called as pitch circle. The circle which is passing through the pitch point is called as pitch circle. So, and the last one is stroke. This is the last one. Stroke means the greatest distance or angle through which the follower moves or rotate. Okay, see, the greatest distance, that is greatest distance down to up, right? So this is having reciprocating motion. That is why from down to up, the greatest distance, if you measure that distance, is called as stroke length. In case of reciprocating follower, in case of oscillating follower, you are considering greatest angle. Okay, like this arc shape. You are considering greatest angle for the oscillating follower. For reciprocating follower, okay, you are taking the greatest distance, that is down to up or up to down. Okay, so this completes your cam nomenclature. Thank you.